Alderson 3-bedroom, 1-bath house on 0.25 acres with level yard. Nice rock fireplace in living area, lots of windows for natural lighting. Kitchen awaiting to be restored. The modernized space this spacious room has to offer. Concrete covered front porch, beautiful landscaping and concrete walkway to the front door. Large level rear yard. In walking distance to of the Greenbrier River. Close to all the amenities Alderson has to offer. Home has vinyl siding, metal roof and unfinished partial basement. Carport will convey. House will not qualify for government loan, will need to be cash or conventional loan.